Welcome back to a good old Facebook Marketplace addiction. Like, first up, boys, we're checking out some more Toyota pickups. Like this freaking farm beauty. Like, look at this thing. This thing so freaking clean with a nice good old freaking slick of a back deck. Oh, buddy. One more as in flat deck, you know. Holy frick, death row racing, not too shabby. What are we cooking with? 1991 Toyota T100 extra cab going for a whopping $3,000. And look at this freaking minty, 320,000 clicks. Oh yeah, manual transmission. Ooh, hot diggity dang, bro. What the fuck? Holy shit. Oh, he's got some brake issues. If you were seeing a rock right there with some phenomenal tread. Oh yeah. Why are we missing a signal light more? As in, oh, the bumper's seen some better days too. Yikes. Oh no, what did we get ourselves into? Listed 2 weeks ago in Nanaimo, BC. What the fuck? Who names these places, bro? Like, seriously, Nanaimo. Paint fade there, you know, more as it. We're gonna call it the regular paint. Horsepower 999. Holy frickin' A. 2 owners. Oh, no way. This is where we get to read. I've owned this truck since I was 15 years old. This is not a pristine Yoda. There's nothing mint about it. The frame is solid, no rust. The deck is sweet and rust free. Tires, lots of life, runs and drives. The rusted and dented body motor needs rebuild, so occasionally surges while idling. Oh, really? Might be dealing with something like that in mind, possibly, but who knows? It's been a while since I even drove it. You guys will be seeing a video of it coming back onto the channel and getting some work done towards it, but who knows? One way to find us come along for the journey. I'll see you in the next. Nah, I'm kidding. We got some more Toyota Tacomas we gotta be checking out, and that's a 4Runner more as in. And hesitates when you put your foot into it. I've kept it in pretty decent running shape over the years, but it's been a beat. Come have a look and make me an offer. Dude, you're gonna sell this thing? Holy shit, bro. Holy fudge, bro. This is the most phenomenal, crazy wackadoo seat I've ever seen in my entire life. The rust just... And look at that, holy shit. And the duct tape is freaking phenomenal on a manual. No freaking way. Bro went to the next level and threw some duct tape on that shit. He's like, I'm gonna hold this seat together for the rest of its life. And he's making sure. Holy crap, bro. Bro, no way. Yo, what the fuck are we cooking with here, bro? Okay, you're wearing pants, but yo, no way, dog. Yo, oh man, somebody, whoever knows this guy, please show him this video. Like, please show him. Like, dude, you're gonna be famous for this. Like, bro, no way. The frame is what it is underneath, like freaking A. But I mean, he's had it since he was 15 years old, and bro's just a fucking beauty. Look at him. Yo, dude's looking so cooked out of his goddamn mind. I mean, freaking A, buds. It doesn't look too shabby. It looks like pretty freaking good for his day and age, but we need some brake work, and same with the seat. Like, my goodness, help. It needs some good old serious help. Like, where is it? This picture. Oh my goodness, dude, that's freaking phenoms. Or would you rather own this 2005 Toyota Tacoma double cab going for a whopping $9,000, listed a day ago in Calgary, Alberta? Oh shit, bro, driven 490,000 clicks on an automatic transmission. What is bro cooking with in the description? He's cooking a little here, you know. Let's see what we're seeing real now. Ooh, damn, looking pretty freaking slick for 490,000 clicks. I mean, you better be coming with this canopy, but freaking A, it looks pretty freaking good. I mean, it's in Calgary, Alberta, so what's the deal, man? How have you kept this thing so clean being in freaking Calgary, Alberta? You know, reliable and ready to go. Calgary, Alberta. Tacoma has been well cared for and is still going strong. Really, 490,000 clicks? Only selling because I need something bigger, and it's never let me down. Key features. Are you sure you're not selling because it's almost at 500,000 kilometers and you're like, bro, this is getting sketchy. What if it leaves me stranded? I mean, it's a Toyota. It's never gonna leave you stranded, buddy. It's a good bang for your freaking buck, you know, more as it. Key features: fuel wheels with KO2 tires and only 1 year old. Frame and rear suspension replaced by Country Hills. Toyota new CV axles and ball joints. New spark plugs 4 months ago. Ooh, not too shabby, bro. This Tacoma is clean, reliable, and perfect for daily driving or work. Top or not included. Price $9,000 OBO. I mean, bro, if you're gonna show us pictures, you gotta show us the inside. You gotta show us the bed. You gotta show us the frame. Like, bro, you're leaving so much potential out here. But I mean, grand is $9,000 for what it is. But freaking A, man, for almost 500,000 clicks on this gem of a beauty. I mean, guy needs a lot of more work, but he's only trying to get $3 whopping grand out of it. And then we jump up to $9 freaking grand. Or would you rather own this 2001 Toyota Tacoma double cab, wheel drive, 4-door, 13 grand, listed a week ago in Medford, OR? Oh, really? Driven 229,000 miles on a sweet manual transmission. Holy freaking A. I know I said manual twice, but it's got the independent suspension up front from what I can see. And dude, look at the tread. It looks freaking fresh in a good old steep dish with black rims. Oh yeah, buds. She's looking beautiful. Holy freaking A. 229,000 miles. My goodness. 5-speed, 3.4 liter, 4x 4x4, new stock upper control arms, new lower control arms, new power steering pumps, smoke tail lights, recent alignment, carrier bearing, new 35-inch tires, new front struts, super 10-inch performance exhaust. Oh really? Alignment keys, 70/30 bench seat swap, Apple Play touchscreen, deck truck runs like new, bushwhacker fender flares, clean title. Dude, this thing looks freaking phenoms. At least the shifter looks normal. It doesn't look like a butt plug like some Honda Civic owners. Like, hey, Honda Civic owners are wild with their weird looking freaking shifters, man, that they put in. But at least he kept it normal. Looks pretty freaking good. I mean, where are you again? Medford OR. I mean, dude, freaking A, buds. Oh man, this thing's freaking phenomenal. Buds. I mean, fellas, would you cop this for the 13 grand? Would you rather get this thing for 9 grand or this thing for the 3 grand? I mean, buddy, I'm copping with the 3 grand. I'm always going to go for the cheapest because it's the best bang for your buck. But I mean, in reality, I'm just cheapskate like that, and that's just me personally. Because why the fuck would I want to spend around 9 grand to 13 grand? I mean, if I got something of cash flow like that coming in each month, buddy, I'm gonna waste my money on something like this, no problem. Or I hit the jackpot, you know, more as in. Or would you rather own this 2002 Toyota Tacoma double cab 4-wheel drive 4-door going for a whopping 15 grand $500, listed 4 days ago in Tempe, AZ, Arizona, I'm assuming, driven 140,000 miles on an automatic transmission? Oh yeah, buddy, look at this thing, freaking phenoms all the way, and he's hooking us up with some good shit going on. Wait, how many clicks? Only 140,000 miles, 2002 Toyota Tacoma 4-wheel drive, only 140k original miles, clean title, cold AC, speed automatic transmission, 3.4 liter V6 4x4 SR5 package, tow package, 3-inch total chaos lift. Oh really? Rough country. Dude, look at this freaking seat. It looks freaking phenomenal. Dude, the interior is gorgeous. Okay, what's the catch here? What's the catch? Is there a catch? I don't feel like there isn't, but who knows? Maybe there is. Automatic transmission, aftermarket stereo. Oh buddy, the interior is freaking good. Like, look at this. No tears whatsoever. Oh man, this thing's way too clean, bro. Way too hot diggity dang clean. Like, bro, come on, what are you cooking with here, eh? Holy shit, bro. Dude, he's making this shit spicy. This is what we want to see. Real question though. Real question now. Is he going to show us the frame? Even the engine bay he shows us. Oh man, this is like corn on the cob here, freaking, if you know what I mean. I'm more hinting towards because I don't want to say it again. We'll get slapped in the face. You know, more as in, like, holy freaking A, buds. Not too shabby. Got some good rims on here with some nice freaking phenomenal tread. Not too shabby. Ooh, look at this, boys. Look at this. Oh, Vice spiced it up. He's getting some nudity going on for us. Like, oh, buddy, he's hooking us up. This is like oh man, I don't know if I should say that on here or whatnot. But freaking A, look how clean this shit is, bro. Like, nah. Oh, yes, sir. Look at the tread on the spare tire, freaking good for days on end. Like, dude, this thing's freaking clean all the way around. No wonder why it's 15 fucking grand, buds. Wild stuff going on. He says rust-free, overdrive, tinted windows, power and windows and locks, cruise controls. Always kept up with maintenance, emissions just redone. Nah, bro, get the rid of those emissions. Straight pipe that shit. It's meant to be. It's your destiny. This guy even got a snorkel, so buddy knows what's up. Keyless entry, SRK snorkel method rims. When I say the word method, I'm thinking of meth, you know, more as, bro, this is like some meth shit. I'm kidding. Nah, dude, this thing's way too fucking clean. Like, what does this guy do? Like, is he a goody two shoes? He goes to his 9 to 5, comes home, spends time with the family for like 5 hours and goes to bed like a good little boy? Or is he one of those people that walks into those houses that has nothing in there and just sits in a chair and waits for the next day, like in an empty room, empty house, just like beautiful truck in his garage, and he's just like sits there. It's like a robot, you know? Like, I don't know, boys. I mean, this thing's freaking phenomenal. It's gorgeous. I mean, oh, this is getting tempting, bro. We got this one to this one. I mean, we got 15,500, 13 grand for a good old deal, 9 grand to a 3 grand, with this guy giving us such a beautiful view of him. He's so gorgeous. Look. Yo, what the fuck, bro? I mean, it's a good way to take a picture, I guess, but don't you have a back window you can open on? Yeah, don't you? You do, but you took that picture inside from a new different angle to a new different perspective, and that's freaking wild, bro. I mean, 9 grand, it doesn't look too shabby, but almost 500 whopping fucking 1,000 kilometers on this. Like, bro, what the fuck is this shit? 5,100 kilometers? 500,000 kilometers? Like, what the fuck? Bro, come on now. I mean, you got this for a good old 13 grand. Ain't too shabby. 229,000 clicks. You got a good option to the 15,500 with the cherry on top. Freaking A, boys. With originally 140,000 clicks on it. Like, what the fuck, buddy? And this thing's rust-free freaking mint, at least from what we can see. But freaking A, boys. What would you do? You got 4 options. Which one's going to be the best bang for your buck? Let me know your thoughts down below in the comment section. I'll see you in the next, boys.